In this video, you'll learn how to add a music player to Notion using a Spotify playlist. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your favorite music directly into your Notion pages for easier access and enjoyment. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your Notion account to proceed. Next, create a new page within your Notion workspace. Look for the option to add a new page, which is often indicated by a plus icon or the phrase new page. Click on this to open a blank page where you will add your music player. After creating the new page, open a new tab and go to Google. In the search bar, type Spotify playlist followed by the genre or type of music you are interested in. This will help you find a playlist that fits your mood or activity. Once you see the search results, locate and click on the link for Spotify playlists. This will direct you to Spotify's web player where you can browse available playlists. Choose a playlist that you would like to embed in your Notion page. After selecting a playlist, look for the three dots icon, usually found near the playlist title or cover image. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with various options related to the playlist. From the menu, select Copy Link to Playlist. This action will copy the URL of the playlist to your clipboard, making it ready for pasting in Notion. Return to your Notion page and click on a blank space to ensure your cursor is active in the editing area. This is where you will embed the music player. Type /embed into the Notion page. This command prompts Notion to recognize that you want to embed content from another source. A list of options will appear. Click on the embed option that appears in the list. This will open a new dialog box where you can paste the link you previously copied. Paste the Spotify playlist link into the dialog box. Ensure the link is correct to avoid any issues with the embedding process. Click on the embed link button to finalize the embedding of your Spotify playlist into your Notion page. You should see the music player appear ready for you to interact with. Once the music player is embedded, you can click on it to resize as needed. Adjusting the size will help you fit the player nicely within your page layout. To listen to your music, click on the play button located on the music player. This will start playing the tracks from your selected playlist. If you wish to pause the music, simply click on the pause button. This feature allows you to control your listening experience directly within Notion.